Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we are with the all new facelifted Jeep. This is the key of Jeep. Here we get a lock and unlock option. And let's look at the front. We get a revised headlamps. Here top we get a LED DRLs with the projector, and this is the grille with the front parking camera. Here it is mentioned the Jeep, and in here we get a turn signals, and here is mentioned the Jeep. And there is a skid plate finished in the gunmetal finish. Front we get fog lamps, and this whole treatment is done in piano black, which looks premium. And here we get a towing hook. Now let's look at this side. Here we get Dual-tone machine cut alloy wheels. The profile is 225 by 55 R18. Alloy wheel design looks good. Here it mentioned the compass, and ORM finished in the black color. Here we get a camera with the turn signals, and the door handles are finished in the body color itself. Here we get a request sensor, and this is the fuel cap. The fuel capacity is 60 liters, and here we get tail lamp is a full LED, and here we get shark fin antenna, high stop mount lamp, rear defogger and the wiper with the washer. There is a washer, and this is the 4x4 variant top model, and the rear we get a rear parking camera with the sensors, and there are the rear fog lamps. It is, and we top we get roof rails. Window area is quite decent. It is not that big, and this is the side look. And here we get the boot. It opens electrically, and boot carrying capacity is very good. Here we get a partial tray, and there is a toolkit, and here we get the hooks. There is a boot lamp. Seats are 60-40 split, and here we get a spare tire. This is the smaller size spare tire, and here we get the amplifier with the Jeep logo, and from here we can close the boot. Softly, as I shown you, this is the 4x4 variant. Here also we get disc brakes. Let's see the engine bay. This is the 2-liter turbo diesel engine. Here we get the insulation, and the hood is very heavy. In this we get a 2-liter diesel engine, which produces the 168 horsepower and the 350 Newton meters of torque, and in this we get the automatic gearbox. Now let's see the dimensions of Jeep Compass. The length is 4405 mm, and the width is 1818 mm, and the height is 1640 mm, and the wheelbase is 2636 mm. Now let's look at the interiors. Here we get the request sensor, and door opens very wide. Here we get 2 memory seats. Here is the door opener finished in the metal, and here we get a ORM adjustment with the electrical window controls, and here we get a music system. We get a bottle holder, 1-liter bottle holder can fit very easily, and all the driver touch points are finished in the leather. Steering also wrapped in the leather, and the armrest also is finished in the soft touch material. And here we get electrical seat adjustments, and here we get a proper dead pedal with the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. Here we get headlamp levelers, headlamp control, and here is the boot opener, and steering is adjustable height and the reach adjustment too. And now let's sit inside. Door closes with the proper thread, and here we get 10-inch touch screen. And here are the let's on the vehicle. This is the animation. And here we get media controls. This side we get a wiper controls, wiper and the washer control, and this side we get headlamp controls. Here we get a cruise control, and steering is very good. It feels very good to hold. And here is finished in the leather, and here is the AC vents, and here is the soft touch. Here it is finished in the soft touch. There is no hard plastics, and here also we get a soft touch. It is finished in the leather. Here is some treatment, and here we get a glove box. It is good. It is quite big glove box, and here also we get piano black finish. And here is the lock and lock button with the, here also it is finished in the leather. And here we get height adjustable seat belts, and ORMs are very big, quite big, so there will be no issue in visibility. And here we get auto dimming RVM. Here we get sun blind with the mirror. There is light, and passenger side also get the mirror with the light. And here are all the controls, and here these are sunroof control, and these are light controls. This gets the panoramic sunroof, which is quite big. Let's open the sunroof. This brings the very lot air feeling inside, and the roof also finished in the black, so it provides some premium or the sporty, whatever you want to call. Because of all black interior, it feels sporty. And this is the full digital screen. There is a tire pressure monitor system, and average is the RPM meter, and here is the fuel leveler. Let's see the reverse parking camera. This is the parking camera. It offers decent resolution, and there is a 360-degree parking camera too. And here you can see the front view, wide angle, and also the back. And this is very sleek and fast. It responds very good. Here we get traction control and the hazard lamp switch, and the parking sensor on off button. And here we get airbag control, and here are the AC vents. These are quite small. And here we get a volume control, and these are all AC control. Here we get a dual zone AC, and from here we can off the screen. And there is a type C charger and the USB. There is a wireless charger too. And this is the DST gearbox with the 2-liter diesel engine. This is the automatic DCT gearbox. And here we get modes: snow mode, auto, and the sand mode, and the mud mode. Here is the auto parking brake. And here we get hold four-wheel drive controls, and here we get four-wheel drive controls. And this is finished in this whole center console is finished in the piano black. Here are the bottle cup holders, 2-cup holder with the phone holder, and there is a armrest, this sliding type armrest, and there is a decent amount of storage place inside, and seats are very comfortable. This is the overall look. Let's go to back seat, and here also door opening is very good. Here we get tweeters, and door opener finished in the metal itself. And here also we get soft touch material, and there is a speaker with the 1-liter bottle holder, and the front seat is adjusted to my height. and the rear space is very good. There is good amount of leg room, and the knee room under the support is very good. Seats are very comfortable, and here also it finished in the piano black. Here it is rear AC vents, and here we get a USB charger, and there is one 12-volt charging socket, and the middle we get a slight hump, so 3 people can sit easily, but third person will be congested. And here we get the 3-pointed seat belts with the ISOFIX child seat mounts. All 4 seats get the height adjustable headrest, and here we get armrest with the 2 cup holder and the 1 phone holder, and there is no third headrest, and the partial tray is very big, and the window area is very good. In this Jeep Compass we get safety features of ABS, EBD, 6 airbags, and the traction controls. This is the front dashboard look from here. It is the panoramic sunroof, and here it is finished in the full black interior, so it feels very sporty. Thank you for watching video, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for latest updates.